Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 update error. That is, there were some problems installing updates and the error code is 0xe0000100. So if you are receiving this error code while updating Windows 10, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings and then click on update and security and then click on troubleshoot and now click on additional troubleshooter. Click on Windows Update and then click on Run the Troubleshooter. And once the troubleshoot is complete, you can go ahead and restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and reset Windows Update components. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Over here you can see download Windows Update Reset script for computer running Windows 10. Click on it and this will go ahead and download the zip file. Click on show in folder and go to the download location. Make a right click on WU reset Windows zip file and then click on extract, and once the extract is complete, open this WU reset Windows 10 and then open the folder once again and make a right click on WU reset.bat and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow and press any key on the keyboard to continue. And first of all, it will go ahead and stop all the Windows Update services and then it will go ahead and reset all the Windows Update services, and after this you can go ahead and try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now this process may take some time, so let the process complete. So here you can see it's taking time. Now over here you can see it's starting all the services. Now at the end here you can see press any key on the to continue. So press any key on the keyboard and this will close this window, and then you go ahead and restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and run this command. So open command prompt. So go ahead and type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, then click on run as administrator. Then click on yes to allow and then copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key, and once this is complete, you can go ahead and restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. So let the process complete, and here right now it's 100% complete. Now you can go ahead and close this window and then go to the start menu, click on the power icon, then restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and run these two commands. For this, again type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, then click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow and then run the first command and then hit the enter key. And once this scan is 100% complete, once this is 100% complete, you can go ahead and run the second command. So let this 100% complete, and after that you go ahead and copy this command and then paste it on the command prompt window, hit the enter key, and once the second scan is complete, restart your computer and then update your Windows 10. Now in case if nothing is working, you can go ahead and use media creation tool to update Windows 10. For this, copy this link. This link is also provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now. Once the download is complete, run this exe file. Then you will see this screen which says you have to go ahead and agree to the terms. So click on accept, and by default upgrade this PC now will be selected, and then click on next and it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time, so let the download complete first. Now before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So you can go ahead and click on install, and after the installation log into the computer and your Windows should be up to date and you should not receive this error code anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.